Hi, this is Kelly from Kelly's Cards, Florida, with my Love from Lizi February 2018 card kit unboxing video. First of all, we get a handwritten note signed by Lizi. And first I'll open the large package. So exciting getting a package in the mail. Okay, we'll start off with the cardstock. We get a pretty pink, 2 sheets of white, and in Lizi's unboxing video, she said this is ideal for alcohol markers. Yellow, a mint green, and a black, and also a piece of specialty paper, and this is the black mirror matte finish. We also get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 this time. And the first one has some larger images on here that you can use on scrapbook pages, or you could cut them up and use them on cards. And the back side has a heart pattern with like a chalkboard effect. I love this one. This is a bunch of chalkboard tags that I'm going to have fun with those. And then on the back side is a beautiful stripe pattern. And then this one, another beautiful one. I especially like this one and the cupcake in the corner. And then it has a beautiful floral pattern on the back side. You get a half a sheet of A4 of the gold glitter specialty paper, and it will not come off. Lizi has it made to where it has a nice finish on it and no glitter will come off. And of course a pack of Lizi's pinstripes with 3 different sizes of gold stripes on these. And again, this will not come off. The glitter will not come off. You get a pack of stickers, and she said that these you could also use your alcohol markers, any kind of markers actually, or colored pencils if you want to color those in. And those are adhesive. And then you get the 6 by 6 specialty paper. You get the cupcakes, a pretty green pattern that starts off with circles on one corner, stripes on the other, and kind of blends together in the middle. A beautiful floral pattern. A green, yellow, and pink ombre cardstock. A cute confetti dot. The smaller version of the chalkboard hearts. A pretty pink one. A diamond pattern, a black cardstock with little roses. That one's really pretty. I love that one. And then this one, it has almost a gold embossing look to it. And a cute little heart pattern. And then a striped with a little confetti polka dot. And her stamps this month are so cute. You get happy birthday to you, happy and birthday, flying by to say hi, it's a special day, it's your birthday, and then the one that just has a pattern on the outside and it's blank inside and the numbers fit inside of that. Lizi designed it that way. And then the string that you can stamp for the balloons. And they all have kind of a chalkboard effect. And then we're going to open the small bag here. Ooh, all these goodies. Move this out of the way. You get a packet of stickers with gold foiling on them. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, they're beautiful. And you get 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of those. You get 2 of these mirrored chevron pattern stickers. You get 2 diamond paper clips, 2 wooden diamonds. Oh, these are so cute. And they have the little tags on them. One side is a natural finish and the other side is a gold finish. 5 little wood veneer hearts. They have little holes in them so you can run a thread or string through them. The Nouveau Crystal Drops in Bubblegum Blush. It's a beautiful color. You get the Nouveau Gold Flakes. It's going to be fun to use. And then the beautiful colors of sequins here. Oh, I love those. You get the ribbon. Start off with the beautiful gold, and then a pink and a yellow with the same width. Just a beautiful satin ribbon. And then the black and the mint green in the narrow satin ribbon. And then for the dies this month, a happy birthday. That's a nice size for card making. And then a little flag or little banner with stars on it. That's going to be cute. And that kind of coordinates. You could actually cut that and layer it on that little tag. So at the time of recording, these kits were still available in Lizi's shop. I'll have the link below. And thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.